Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Etsy for dropshipping. Etsy attracts over 90 million shoppers per year searching for unique handmade and vintage goods, making it perfect for compelling product offerings. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your dropshipping on Etsy. I will cover an overview of traditional versus print-on-demand Etsy dropshipping, instructions for listing resold and print-on-demand products, sourcing inexpensive supplier inventory to maximize profits, tips to ensure that your Etsy dropshipping store is fully compliant, and more. So let's get started. When dropshipping on Etsy, you generally have two models to consider. The first one is traditional dropshipping. This is when you list products sourced from a low-cost supplier to resell at a markup, and print on demand as you create unique designs that print-on-demand suppliers produce and ship. The traditional approach mirrors standard e-commerce dropshipping: source inexpensive inventory wholesale, import listings to your Etsy storefront, showcase product images and descriptions, and finally handle the customer fulfillment logistics. Whereas print-on-demand flips this model upside down. Rather than reselling ready-made goods, you design compelling shirt graphics, mugs, phone cases, and any other customizable products, and whenever one of them sells, your integrated print provider handles manufacturing and order logistics on demand while you collect the profits. Both approaches are great for launching Etsy stores quickly with limited upfront capital, and we're going to explore them more in detail. If you pursue traditional product reselling on Etsy, then your first task is identifying inexpensive inventory to import. As a dropshipper, high profit margins come from buying low and selling high, so sourcing products cheaply is crucial. And while many niches could work, one proven approach is locating inexpensive handmade and vintage goods via Facebook Marketplace, and you can get a markup on a high perceived value platform like Etsy. For example, you can search Facebook Marketplace using keywords around handmade soaps, candles, jewelry, baked goods, clothing items, and so much more. These product segments commonly appear cheaper compared to Etsy. You can filter marketplace listings by location to find sellers geographically close to you, as that ensures quick and affordable domestic shipping after you make a buy. Outside of Facebook Marketplace, you can explore traditional e-commerce wholesalers and manufacturers related to your niche. Building relationships with craft and trade suppliers enables low product costs, so consider minimum order quantities and discuss product customizations. Leverage platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, Oberlo, and Sparket to unlock directly integrated inventory options for your Etsy store. So when you want to import them over to your Etsy store for sales, you would have to first install the official Oberlo for Etsy integration or any comparable application for the supplier that you choose. Connect user accounts and sync product listings, and then from there you can carefully review the auto-created listings, confirming product details are accurately showcased. And that's the first option with traditional dropshipping. The second approach would be to outsource Etsy print-on-demand design work. And the concept revolves around leveraging print suppliers to produce customizable products featuring designer graphics whenever the customers place orders. And this allows you to sell shirts, mugs, and other products without upfront inventory costs. You simply drive traffic to listings and collect income on demand. But first, rather than creating designs yourself, consider outsourcing to graphic artists on freelancing platforms like Fiverr for massive time savings. And you can search creative gigs related to print-on-demand offerings and explore portfolios, finding styles that you like. Sort them out by reviews, sales, response times, and pricing. After that, you would have to import these outsourced print-ready design assets into production partner platforms and connect up live Etsy listings. After that, it comes time to integrate and prepare selling. You would have to choose one or more preferred print service providers like Printful, Printify, and Teespring, set up accounts providing important store details, payment information, and location data for shipping calculations. They usually offer a wide range of product catalogs, identifying offerings to sell, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. So consider the order minimums, fulfillment processes, and locations restrictions impacting customer reach. And with your designs uploaded using the application, use the Etsy app dashboard to map specific graphics onto compatible offerings, creating linked Etsy listings. And as you make sales, production partners facilitate fulfillment of print orders, including the fabrication and printing, packaging, shipping, and delivery. You simply have to manage account settings, design assets, and marketing initiatives as a stream of passive income rolls in. And that's about everything you need to get started dropshipping with Etsy. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know what you think of the video in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.